Hey friends, this is Timothy Chemo Bryan, your head instigator for Create Art Podcast. And on this next interview, I have with me David Richards, and we're talking about mindfulness and leadership. You're gonna want to listen to this one because, folks, I have found my long lost brother that I didn't even know that I had, and the child support payments are in the mail for it. Check it out. It's a lot of fun.